When we talk about evolution, we are referring to a profoundly biological process, our species' ability to adapt to environmental circumstances to ensure survival. From the perspective of conscious bioexistence, each adaptation is not just a response to an external challenge, but also a reflection of how our experiences, emotions, and the stories of our lineage have shaped our biology and behavior. The kidney is a remarkable organ that reflects our evolutionary transition from aquatic to terrestrial environments. Its ability to filter and conserve water is a biological adaptation that enabled survival outside of water. From the lens of conscious bioexistence, kidney-related symptoms can take us back to stories of leaving our natural environment to enter an unknown world. It mirrors how a previous way of life collapses to make way for constructing a new one. Many of the stories we uncover here are connected to ancestors who migrated to other lands. Our skin, with its varying levels of melanin, is a clear example of how biology responds to the environment through evolution. In climates with high sun exposure, darker skin protected against UV rays. In colder climates, lighter skin facilitated vitamin D production. Similarly, just as these biological adaptations arise in response to the physical environment, the emotional environment triggers evolutionary biological adaptations as well. The immune system is a key adaptation that protects us from external threats, yet its functioning can also be influenced by the emotional experiences of our lineage. For instance, if a generation lived in an environment where they constantly felt the need to defend themselves from others or their surroundings, the next generation might develop an adaptive response in the form of an overactive immune system. From the perspective of conscious bioexistence, this reveals how unprocessed emotions and stories can leave a mark on our biology, shaping how we interact with the world on both physical and emotional levels. When we understand evolution from this perspective, we see how our biology is always striving for what it perceives as optimal for survival. However, in doing so, we also accumulate patterns, beliefs, and emotions that can misalign us from what is biological and lead us toward what is anti-biological. These patterns, although originally formed as adaptations, can become obstacles when they are no longer aligned with our current circumstances. In the upcoming episodes, we will explore how to distinguish between what is biological and anti-biological and how these dynamics influence our lives.